Hey all you YouTubers. So I'm just doing this just to do it. I don't know, so y'all know anything about knives and shit. But I'm gonna show you how to open one of these. Butterfly knife. It's really easy. Come over here. So if you ever want to show off to your friends, you can do it all fast. See? It's really cool. Put it on my shirt, see it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it without this piece. Okay, this is your lock. We'll hold on the other handle. Okay. Reason being is because when you go into the next step and you flick it back, the blade right here is going to come back and going to hit your hand. Now you can do it, but since you're beginning, you don't want to do that because you'll cut yourself. First part, know which side to grab. Alright, don't flick it back. Alright, just notice you're not holding it like this, just on your fingertips. Flick back. You're going to twist it, flick it back, and forward. And that's to open it. Back, twist, back, forward. Same process, just twist, back, forward. Now when you do it, your twisting is coming, you put your hand down, and you're spinning the knife. So I'm trying to do it as slow as I possibly can. So, twist, back, forward. Twist, back, forward. Twist, back, forward. Twist, back, forward. And just practice that. Once you get that down, you can flick it back, twist it back and forward. And you start doing that. Back, forward, twist, back, forward. That's where the flashiness comes in. And then, if you're fast enough, do it. Start with your left hand. Now, if I had to, I'd show you I could do them both just quick, but I don't have to because my other one broke. They're not good throwing knives. The blade doesn't break, the handles break. I don't know why. Also, another way is to hold the lock. Bam. Drop it and pull it up. So yeah, very dangerous stuff here. This is for informational stuff. Show off to your friends. These are illegal and probably everywhere. Pretty sure they're illegal to carry, but not illegal to have. But occasionally these do slip out of your hand, and I've actually stabbed a couple of my friends. Not good to do when you're drunk or on any other kind of mind-altering substance. So, especially if you're white and you go up to a Mexican and do that, they'll trip out. You know, you preppies out there, yeah. So, there's my little informational video on how to open a butterfly knife. Just remember, back, twist, back, forward. Or just let it dangle and twist it and back, forward. Dangle, twist it, and back, forward. So, until next time, this is Crazy Ray signing off.